the wavelength lambda e of an electron and lambda of photon of same energy E are related by, so wavelength lambda of electron and lambda p means of photon of same energy same are related to dash. Okay, so first we have to calculate for an electron. Okay, for an electron, so wavelength of electron is equal to h by what? P. Okay, h by p according to non-relativistic condition, so h divided by 2 me. Okay, 2 me. So and also written as, so implies, so E equal to energy, how much? Energy is equal to a square divided by 2m lambda E means wavelength on electron square. Okay, for photon. Okay, for a photon. Okay, for photon, so lambda p similarly h by p is a Planck constant by momentum. What is equal to h? P is equal to, according to relativistic condition, but according to relativistic condition, a rest mass of proton is 0. So m is equal to 0. That means E is equal to Pc. So P is equal to E by C. P is equal to E by C. E divided by C. So which is nothing but Sc by E. Okay. So Hc by E. So that means H is Planck constant, C is the velocity of light, E is the energy. Okay. So wavelength of photon is equal to, so Sc into 1 by E. So 1 by E means value of E. So E is nothing but, and this one the reciprocal. So that means 2m wavelength of square of electron lambda E square divided by, so Planck constant square. Okay. So one Planck constant will be 1h will cancel. So we get 2mc. Okay, here 2m, here c, 2mc divided by 1h will left, so lambda E square. Okay, but in this relation here, lambda p wavelength of photon is directly proportional to, here lambda p directly proportional to what? And this one 2mch, 2m mass is remain constant. Okay, c is constant, Planck constant is also constant. That means only the factor is wavelength. Okay, that means wavelength of photon. Okay, wavelength of photon is directly proportional to square of the wavelength of an electron. Okay, so your answer is lambda wavelength of photon is directly proportional to square of its wavelength of an electron. Okay, so this one is correct answer. That means your option A, I think option A is correct. Okay, so option A is correct. So your question is wavelength lambda E of an electron and, okay, lambda E means wavelength of an electron, lambda P means wavelength of photon, same energy, E remain constant. So now the relation between wavelength of electron and wavelength of proton, we have to calculate what is the relation between wavelength of proton and wavelength of an electron. Okay, first we have to calculate for an wavelength of an electron for an electron condition, then calculate after photon condition. For electron condition, lambda according to de Broglie wavelength, lambda equal to h by p. Lambda means wavelength, h is Planck constant, p is the momentum. Okay, Planck constant, so Planck momentum. But according to non-relativistic condition, okay, according to that energy is equal to non-relativistic condition, energy is equal to p square by 2m. Okay, so p is equal to, p square is equal to 2me or p equal to 2me root over. Okay, so because in case of same energy, your energies remain same. Now we have to separate the E term, so no energy term. So equal, now squaring on both sides. So that means lambda E square, a square, 2me. Okay, 2me. So E is equal to Planck constant square, 2me lambda E. Okay. So next for photon, lambda p is equal using Planck de Broglie wavelength formula, lambda p is equal to h by p. So but in case of here this condition using non-relativistic condition, but this condition using the relativistic condition. but mass of photon, rest mass of photon is 0. So that way we know that E is equal to this formula. E is equal to what? So E square is equal to P square C square plus M naught square C4. Okay, for the photon, rest mass of photon is 0. Okay, that means photon cannot exist at rest. Okay, cannot exist at rest. So photon is okay. So the rest mass of photon, this part is 0. So E square is equal to P square plus C square. E is equal to PC. So I am putting this. So P is equal to what? E is equal to PC. P is equal to E by C. P is equal to E by C. So P is equal to E by C. So SC by E, where C is the velocity of light. Okay. So hp equal to wavelength of proton equal to SC. Here HC, this part SC, and 1 by E. E value of E is now substituting the value of E. E is equal to A square by 2m. So 1 by E means in the reciprocal form 2m lambda E square, 2m lambda E square by A square. So here 1h will cancel, 2mc by h of lambda E square. But here 2mc by h, this one total is constant vector. So the wavelength of photon is directly proportional to square of its wavelength of an electron. Okay, your option A is correct. Okay, thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe.